be free. I was born to be free.
Hey yo! Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? Oh, baby, we gotta talk, man. We gotta talk. But listen, before we talk, guys, I got a question for y'all. Y'all know the intro by now, all right? Who was born to be free? Were y'all born to be free? I'll tell you this, I sure as hell was. Good morning, everybody. Who's in the chat? Let's see. And also, moderators, if you're in here, I need some volume checks, guys, because you know I suck at this. How's the music? Man, listen, we got a lot to talk about today. We got good news. I got good news. I got great news. I got bad news. I got all kinds of news today. All kinds of news. Which news do y'all want first? Y'all want the good news or the bad news? Honestly, I actually have so much news that I don't even remember all the news. But I'm gonna try to remember as we go. I'm gonna try to go as we go. All right, man. Let's see who's in chat right now. Arrow Pump, what's up, brother? Good morning. How are you, sir? Iggy, my brother. Good morning. Kamar, hi, Geo dudes. Long time no stream, long time no see on stream. Kamar, why are you not in the stream, bro? Guys, how's my volume? How are my levels? Are we good? Are we good? How are we feeling? Brandon England, good morning, sir. Eunice Swan's got the money bags already. Beautiful. Riggs, what's up, bro? Good morning. Mr. Fies, my dog. How are you, sir? High five, Andrew. Keep him coming. We love it. We love it, man. How are you? How you guys doing? Okay, y'all want the bad news first. Crypto Star says, how's it? Crypto Star, welcome, man. How are you guys? Will BTC finally respect TA? Mystic Run is asking. I will tell you this, man. We're definitely going to talk about it. We're definitely going to do TA, and we're going to talk about it, so make sure that you stick around. All right, guys. The bad news isn't really bad for you. It's more bad for me. The bad news is I look like a wet raccoon right now. I don't know, man. I need a haircut really badly. Okay, that's the bad news. And, guys, I get one pimple a year. And you can't really see it, but it's there. So that's the bad news. The amazing news, by the way, actually, the good news is I'm fixing all that today. I'm getting my haircut today. Anyways, irrelevant to you guys. The amazing news, guys, is after 2 months, I am finally monetized again. Oh, baby, today's a good day, man. It's a long story, but I'm finally monetized again, and I am so happy, and today's a good day, man. Today's a good day. All right, we're going to talk Bitcoin. We're going to talk TA. We're going to talk about, are we respecting levels? We're going to talk about the levels that I'm looking for. We're going to talk about all this kind of stuff, okay? We're going to talk all of it. And hopefully, like recently ago, I believe it was Friday's stream, market makers gave us some interesting moves during streams. So hopefully we can get some interesting moves today. Guys, I will tell you this. I do have a little bit. It's going to be a shorter stream today. It's only going to be about an hour and a half. Shorter. That's a shorter stream. Anyways, let me get my huge face off the screen so y'all can enjoy your breakfast without throwing up. And let me say good morning one more time. Rihards, what's up, brother? Good morning. Son, how are you, sir? Rev, good morning. Spike Teddy, good morning. Jaden, good morning. It says Aiden Kiss. Conrad, what's up, man? Crypto Mo. M1KU says 38.9. Jokin Shanero. I don't know if I'm ever saying that name right. We've been boys for a long time. Carl Carlson, what's up, my brother? How are you, man? Lies, it's too cold to leave. I agree with you, man. I definitely agree. Okay, guys, so listen, I'm gonna take it that the volume levels are good. Right? I'm gonna take it that the volume levels are good because it seems like they're good because no one is complaining about it. Crystal Logo, what's up, man? Good morning. We got all that. Good. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How is everybody doing today? Listen, make sure you stick around. We got to talk about some updates here. We got to talk about updates. We got to talk about what I'm projecting. We got to talk about the updates I gave you guys in the VIP. And later in the stream, you are going to get a couple of VIP codes so that you can have access to my calls and my projections here. But let's talk about what happened. So the other day, actually, I think it might have been on YouTube. By the way, my voice is cracking, man. I don't know. It's 2:30 in the morning for you. Got work in the morning. Oh, bro. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. LA Crypto, what's up, man? I'm just a regular dude. No need to praise me. Donkey Stonka, what's up, man? Good morning. All right, guys, listen. We're going to talk about a few things, okay? Stick around so you can get the VIP code and we can talk about things. Let me get my TA shades on. By the way, guys, were y'all born to be free? I'm going to start asking you guys this every morning. Were y'all born to be free? Because I was born to be free. All right. Let's chat, man. So look, yesterday, 3:05 p.m. What did I say? Right, in the VIP Discord. Wouldn't even be surprised. We took the high. Let's come back to the charts. We took the high. Let's hide all this mumbo jumbo. Which time frame were we on here? We were on the 10-minute. Okay, we were on the 10-minute. Now it took a little bit more time than anticipated, but we were around this level here. Right, that's here. That's this wick. And I said wouldn't even be surprised if we came down a little bit. Right, came down a little bit, came up, took the high again. I had it actually set for 35.5. Now, when I'm gonna be honest, when I draw these, I'm not like considering exact price. However, if I were to overlap it, that's basically exactly where it went to. Pretty interesting. But anyways, nonetheless, that was luck. I can't sit here and brag about that. But we got to talk, man. We got to talk. So Why did I think that we were potentially going to come for the high again? I mean, okay, when we put in the high, right? What do I say every single stream, guys? What do I always say? Every single time that we, every time we have thick money flow, we need to expect multiple divergences, right? And yesterday, and by the way, Bitcoin, when we put in the high from yesterday, we did not sweep the liquidity that we put in on Friday, okay? From Friday's high, we didn't sweep that liquidity. So it is very unlikely, okay? Remember, we build a narrative on this channel. It is very unlikely for us to come this close to a high, not take it, and then on top of that, while money flow is diverging and while money flow is increasing and we're getting hidden bullish divergence all over the place, like, it is very, 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 very unlikely to not come for that high, okay? So the timing was a little bit off. That's fine. We're never going to get the timing exact, but the idea was there that we were going to come for the high and SFP it again. Now, as you guys know, Bitcoin has been on a trend of SFP after SFP after SFP after SFP, and nothing seems to keep Bitcoin down, okay? Nothing seems to keep Bitcoin down. I'm going to talk about what I'm expecting for Bitcoin and what we need to be paying attention to in order to give us the clue if another SFP is going to happen. This is absolutely a valid SFP. If we come on the daily time frame, I want you guys to see this, okay? This very strong DSFP is the first daily high that we put in when we got up here to 38K. And now, this is what I mean by Bitcoin has been SFPing after SFPing after SFPing after SFPing. Bitcoin, for this entire time we were here, week or couple weeks or whatever, okay, has been unable to close a daily candle above this level, okay? And we've tried now, including today, this is the third try at closing a candle above this daily SFP. Again, I made a video stating that this isn't really in itself enough to give you a conviction that we're going to go down, because Bitcoin's been doing this entire way up. This is not the first time Bitcoin's been doing this. Let me come to a clean chart. This is not the first time Bitcoin has just been SFPing and then continuing up. SFPing, continuing up. SFP, continuing up. SFP, continuing up, right? Obviously, this is not perpetual. Let me just... Okay, I'll hide my TA. It's easier. Let me just hide all this stuff. Okay. Right, so for sure, it's not enough conviction in itself. The daily time frame, as we know, for a very long time, has been ignoring divergences. But look at this, guys. The money flow is getting still somehow thicker. Okay, money flow is getting insane. So, I mean, we need to pay attention to these things, okay? We do have the divergences, but money flow is still coming up. We know that the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences we can get. So, are we going to say that we're at the top? Based on the daily, it doesn't look like it, but I do think that we can get somewhat of a move down. And you guys know, man, I've been saying this for so long, right? I've been saying it for so long, but objectively, the daily time frame still, man, it is thick. It is thick, guys. Are we going to get our green dot, red dot formation? We don't know, but there's no denying how thick the money flow is. So, what do we need to pay attention to now? Okay. The daily level that I mentioned, the DSFP, excuse me, this red line, 38,107, is a very important daily close. Guys, if we close a candle above 38,107, most people are going to remain a bullish bias. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. There's two ways to handle an SFP, okay? One way to handle an SFP is if we close a candle above this level, a daily candle, because this is a daily SFP. If we close a daily candle above 38,107, then people say, all right, we have a market structure break, right? Let's just say in like a couple weeks. I don't know. Obviously, timing, I'm just doing this. Let's go up candle. Okay, we got our up candle here. Or whenever it is, whatever. Let's say it's tomorrow. Who cares? We have a strong daily close above this level. A lot of people will think that this is a bullish break in structure, and we are invalidating the SFP. And you wouldn't be wrong, right? There's two ways to do it. You wouldn't be wrong, per se, to do it this way. The safer way to do it is to now watch for the new SFP to break, right? So this is the new SFP line. And if I were to write it out, it would look like this, right? So this is a new SFP line that we need to be paying attention to. Now, the likelihood of us closing one and then just completely dropping, I would say, is not very high. But again, there's two ways to do it. And if you want to play it safe, you would really want to see a close above 38.5. Now, these are obviously longer term plays, okay? They're obviously looking at longer term plays. But yeah. And right now, Rihard just says, why am I looking at the first SFP? Shouldn't we be looking at the latest SFP? And that's exactly what I'm saying here. So like the safer way to do it is to staircase your SFPs, meaning this was the first one, and then this was the second one, and now this is the third one, and we are unable to close above the previous wicks, okay? The reason I'm still considering this DSFP, the first one, is because this is the first high that we put in, and we still have not closed above that. We've tried 3 times now, okay? So that does raise a little cause for concern. As we know, we are also in a very large daily order block that ends at basically exactly 40K, okay? It's possible to wick up there. It's possible. I'm not going to say that it's not, but we do have to be concerned a little bit that Bitcoin is not able to close above its previous highs. And another thing, this high was taken by 0.85%, and from this SFP level, right, from here to this one was only, and today's not over, guys, I understand, but from here to here was only 0.15%. So far, let's just say the daily candle doesn't go back up there, right? So we are getting a loss in momentum, right? If the SFPs are coming by like each SFP is by a lesser amount, that's indicating the market is losing momentum, right? And we could be getting this kind of curvature when it comes to the price, right? Remember, we know price and time moves in an oscillation, and this could be like right here, right? We could be there. We could be like there, like starting to head down, whatever. Just important things to note, okay? Now that's on the super macro, right? 12-hour time frame. And by the way, guys, I got to be honest before we continue real quick. I closed my longs, okay? I closed my longs. Even if Bitcoin were to pump to 40K, I believe that we're going to have a major pullback, and I believe we're going to have a major pullback relatively soon, okay? So even if I miss out on the 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 move to the upside, let's just say, in my opinion, it is a little bit more risky right now to be holding on to the longs, okay? Yes, market structure is still bullish, and we're going to talk about market structure. All right, we're going to talk about it when we dive in on the shorter term time frames. But this is my bias. I'm not saying we're going to go down from here. Again, in terms of my swing longs, I close them because I don't think it's worth it anymore. I don't. Anyways, let's continue. Let's move down. So money flow on the 12-hour time frame, as we've been putting in these highs and SFPs, money flow has been coming out. So we're diverging. Okay, let's come down to the 4-hour time frame. Once again, guys, and we're not new to this. This has been happening many times. But once again, the 4-hour time frame is showing us bearish divergences over time when it comes to money flow, and locally over time, right? And with momentum waves. So we're getting divergences after divergences after divergences after divergences. And are we going to get another one? We're going to talk about it. We could. I'm not saying this is the top. We could. But when you are getting these kind of divergences over a long period of time, and there's this much liquidity below us, eventually, guys, it's going to give. Nothing can go up forever. Okay? Nothing can go up forever. But right now, it is a little bit of cause for concern. And if you see here, very, in a very brief, like, tight manner, we actually did have a golden nugget, a pretty significant golden nugget on this 4-hour wave. Okay? So we can't really be shocked if we get a move to the downside. Now, we're not all here to talk about swing trades. We got to talk about scalping, and we got to talk about what might happen today, right? What might happen tomorrow. And so that's what we're going to do. But of course, we need to build a narrative on the larger term time frames first. Before I continue on the 1 hour time frame, guys, please make sure there's 85 of you in here, and I got 33 likes. So please do me a favor. I stream for you guys every day, and I give you guys multiple updates in the Discord. Do me a favor, and while I drink this water that is way too big for my face, hit the like button for me, please. All right. Crypto Shredder, good morning. Nasdaq bullish, ahead inflation cool. GDP positive, Friday Fed rate cut. Yeah, I don't know about news, man. I honestly don't know. Rahard's already answered that. Hello, boss. Damien, what's up, man? Good morning. What about the weekly chart? Could form a red dot. Okay, so we'll go to the weekly chart. Can I check Binance perpetual chart? It's different. BTC. Yeah, we're gonna talk about Binance as well. Let's talk about Binance as well. Let's come to the weekly real quick. Yeah, the weekly, guys, I mean, look, there's no doubt. There is no doubt. We are overextended, okay? Again, whether we go up first and then down, or we go down from here, we are going to go down eventually, okay? There's no such thing as a move that just goes up straight. It is a 100% guarantee that we're going to go down eventually. We could go up, and then we could just come down to where we are now. But eventually, we're going to come down. But yeah, man, weekly time frame, definitely is like really high, man. This is for sure a significant wave, and I do think that we could get, you know, a decent move, right? 15% move to the downside, perhaps retesting this high, recovering this vector candle, perhaps, right? Or in this general zone. This is a very large order block. This right here is a very, very large, order block, okay? This is a range order block. So, are we going to come back to it? Honestly, I would say it's very likely that we do. I would say that very likely that we do. Eventually, right? How high are we going to go? We don't know, but eventually, for sure. All right, we're going to go to Binance perpetual in a second here. Are you wrong to say there's a bearish div on the daily? Let's check the daily again. You're definitely... There's been bearish divs this whole way, so no, you're not wrong to say that. Not at all. You notice price has gone up while momentum on the daily is getting smaller, so isn't that a bear div? Yes, that is a bear div. That is a bear div. All right. Do I see money flow is thick, so you feel confused? So let me tell you, Spike Teddy and whoever else might be new. I say this all the time. Let me hide my ranges real quick, and then we'll jump down to the 1 hour. The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. Okay? Thicker the money flow, more chance of divergences. And let's look here, for example, right? Money flow was super thick. Not as thick as it is now, but money flow was super thick, and we were getting those divergences. Now, this is not even as clean divergences as we have now. Right now, we have a lot more and a lot cleaner divergences. But money flow is thick, and you can see we get continued divergences the thicker the money flow is, right? Thicker the money flow is, we get a lot of divs. So it's possible that we will get another divergence, right? It is possible. You want this song name? Hold on.
Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
All right, here's the name. Here's the name.
Let's get money.
Let's get money. There it is.
Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Money, get money.
All right, I hope you got it. I'm gonna actually make this the theme song of my channel. I think I'm gonna make that the theme song of my channel. Let me know if you guys like the song. Okay, anyways, let's continue. Let me come back. I got distracted. Okay, all right. Doesn't matter if the momentum wave is higher, bro. We're getting divergences across the board, right? The daily is looking bullish, I have to say. Daily is looking bullish, right? But that doesn't mean that we can't get a cheat sheet entry, right? What do we know about cheat sheet entries as well? When we have thick money flow. Like, look. What is it? What is the staple of a cheat sheet entry? Let's pull up our TR main. What are the rules of a cheat sheet entry? Price coming into the 50 EMA. Look, 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA. Check. Right? Price coming back into the 50 EMA or close to it, leaving a vector candle. Let's just say we dump and we get a red vector candle. That means that we can recover this red vector candle. That would be checked. Okay? Green dot forms below the 0 line. Check. If this happens. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but if it happens, right? So let's just say we have multiple vectors coming down, right? Wherever it may land. Here, whatever. Honestly, I think it'll actually break the 50 EMA. I think it'll probably come down to test the 200. I think we're probably going to come around 30K. But anyways, price comes down, strong red vector candles. Thick money flow. Check. Green dot below the 0 line. Check. Right? And then the reason why cheat sheet entries even work are because cheat sheet entries, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. So we could get something like this, and this wave could put in yet another divergence, right? It could. But that's what I'm watching out for long term, right? And guys, this play doesn't mean it's gonna happen now. Oh, volume. I'm sorry. Did you guys hear any of what I just said? I can't play any songs that are not I can't play any songs that are copyright free as of right now. Let's get money, baby. Let's go. Let's get money. Mad song. Yeah, it's dope, guys. It's dope. No, I'm not on I'm not using licked yet. I'm not using licked yet. Okay, wait, is the volume better? Can you guys hear me now?
No inhibitions.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
For the first time, I felt like I knew where I belonged, and nothing could stop me from being there. Nothing, and yet everything felt real.
No, you didn't miss the VIP code yet.
It was underneath me, around me, above me.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna continue, but I need to know that the volume is good.
I found peace. No inhibitions, no worries, no inhibitions, no worries, no inhibitions.
Okay, y'all good. All right, okay, look. So, basically what I was saying, guys, was what is a cheat sheet entry? Okay, what is a cheat sheet? A cheat sheet entry is when... Okay, look. The thicker the money flow... Let me get my TA shades. The thicker the money flow, right? Thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergence that we might have. The reason a cheat sheet entry even works is on this premise, right? We have divergences on the lower term time frames. The daily does look bullish, but we're also very overextended and there's a lot of liquidity that we can get. So what are the conditions on cheat sheet entry? 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA. Check. Okay. Thick green money flow. Check. If this happens, right? If we get a wave below the 0 line, this is your cheat sheet entry right here with thick money flow. Check. Let's just say that move that brings us down leaves us nice, strong red vector candles coming into the 50 EMA. And I'm going to be honest, guys. I actually think this one will be a little bit deeper than the 50 EMA. I think we're going to come down to around the 200 EMA. I think we're going to come and test here. I think we're going to come test at 30K. Personally, that's what I believe. But, you know, let's just say these are strong red vector candles, aka liquidity that can get recovered. Just like here, this is liquidity that I believe will get recovered, right? So when we see all these things, this is a classic cheat sheet entry, and a cheat sheet entry on the daily time frame is no joke. And the reason why this works, guys, is because the more chances, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. So we could get something like this, then we could get something like this. Let's just say this is the top, right? Let's say we do this, we'll do this, we'll do this, we'll do this. We'll do this. That will be our cheat sheet entry right here. And then we could put in another divergence, and then that's when money flow could start to be diverging as well. And that is when we could get the move down. I'm not suggesting that it's going to be here. I actually think that we can come a lot higher. I think we could see something north of 50K even. Okay, so it could be like, this is just the idea. I'm drawing the picture, not the exact levels. But I do think we're overextended. I do think we need a move to the downside in order to make it up to 50K. We can't just do this again. You can't just all of a sudden pump and just now do this and then pump and then, like, there needs to be a decent retracement, guys. And listen, remember this. Remember this. Even in the healthiest of bull markets, and I don't believe we're in a bull market yet, but even in the healthiest of bull markets, we still get minus 20% days. Okay? There's a lot of liquidity beneath us. So when we get that minus, like when we go down, we could easily get a minus 20% day. You have to know that. Okay? You got to know that. Okay. So that's what I'm expecting in the long term. Let's dive down real quick. And somebody mentioned checking Binance, the Binance chart. And if you could see here, my chart is differently marked up on Binance. Why? Peachy, what's up, man? How are you? Better. Okay. Any recommend video where we can learn about the time sessions? Yeah, my Brinks box video. Let's show you here. Brinks box right here. What is the Brinks box? The money I have another one. I have a longer one. Where is it? Okay, hold on. Yeah, Brinks box. This one, not the trading one. This one. What is the Brinks box? So this is the video you got to go to, bro. Here, I'll share it for you. I'll put it in the chat. That is the video that you got to check. Okay, guys, I'm gonna dive in and I'm gonna talk about this chart now. This is Binance BTC USD.P on Binance, and this is a little bit different. What I'm gonna start doing from now, because the charts can get a little bit messy, is I'm gonna actually start doing my like market structure TA on the Binance chart, and then I'm gonna use the Bybit chart for like my box zones and such. Okay, so we're gonna dive down now. We're gonna come on the 1 hour time frame. We'll flop back and forth. We're gonna talk about market structure, which is very important, and we're gonna talk about where I think that the next move might be. But before we do that, guys, you guys know I gotta do this, man. Listen, if you guys don't have an exchange and you are looking to trade on an exchange and you have not already signed up to MEXC, my affiliate link with MEXC is right here, and it's in the description down below. And it is the cheapest on fees, 0.0% maker fee, 0.02% taker fee. If you don't know what that means, then you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then you know that it's the cheapest on the fees. And of course, it helps support me for free. So I really appreciate it. If you guys decide that you want to help support me, I very much thank you. I appreciate all of you dearly. All right. Now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about what's going on here locally. All right. Let me hide this TR main. Actually, you know what? We're going to need it. Let's hide the VWAP. We know where the VWAP is. I don't care. Let's get rid of the Bollinger Bands. Okay. All right. Let's go over market structure. Right? Let's go over market structure here. So let's hide this. This is a range. We don't need it right now. Let's just hide it. We don't need that right now. Playing at Eminem speed, looking at the pimple. Oh, man. That's funny, man. I get one a year, bro, and the pimple came early. All right. Do you need a VPN to use in the USA? I believe you do. Yeah, I think so. I think you do. Okay. And by the way, guys, we're also going to do a $100 to $1,000 challenge in the new year, and you're going to need a MEXC account with my affiliate link to enter. Okay. Let's talk market structure. So what do we have here in terms of market structure? Let's start on the 4 hour time frame, right? 4 hour time frame market structure, I mean, isn't very difficult to draw out. So we'll go back, right? We'll go back and let's get our highlighter. 4 hour market structure is low, high. Oh, whoops. I lied. 4 hour market structure is low, high, higher low, higher high, and we're expecting a higher low. Okay, we're expecting a higher low. What does a higher low indicate? Higher low indicate obviously indicates a larger move in, like, to the upside. And technically speaking, and I don't know why I don't have this drawn out, but this is our 4 hour. This would be our 4 hour break. Okay, this would be our 4 hour break. Oh, I want this in the middle. Right, this would be our 4 hour break. This would be our 1 hour break. This would be our 4 hour break. And we actually need to be paying attention to where our daily break would be as well. And the daily break would be actually same place. So this is a 4-hour and a daily break. So D and 4-hour break. So in other words, 34,534 is a very important level. Okay, that is quite some ways away, right? But technically speaking, we remain bullish on the daily time frame unless we close a candle, or on the daily and the 4-hour, unless we close a candle below 34, let's say 34.5. Okay, so very important level. Let's set an alert here. Daily and 4-hour break. Okay, daily and 4-hour break. Now, the way that market structure works is when you are following your market structure, it will give you a clue as to what may happen next in terms of where the price may go. Now, that sounds obvious, but I want to open up your eyes a little bit. Okay, if we break this 1-hour close, right? If we break the 1 hour, we're very likely to then head down to the daily and the 4-hour break, right? When I say break, guys, I mean a close below, right? Otherwise, it's an SFP. So, but in order for us to even get down to the 1-hour break, what do we need to see? We need to see a 15-minute break, right? So we just do the exact same thing. And so we know the market structure. We don't need this anymore. So we just do the exact same thing. And if... Oh, actually, these dots are supposed to be here now. No, I lied. They are not supposed to be there. I lied. I'll go back and I'll fix that. But listen. So, in order for us to even get down to the 1-hour break, which is this line here, the 15-minute has to break, right? Because otherwise, how else would we even get down there, right? So, in order for the 15-minute to break, to get to this line, the 5-minute needs to break, correct? So, there's no way to go down. You literally cannot go down unless there are breaks on lower term time frames. And so that's what we're going to investigate now for those who may not know or may not understand it. Okay, so let's start on the 15-minute market structure. We had low. This is the 15-minute structure now. 10, 15, you can mix it. Even 30-minute, you can say, right? Here we have 30-minute low or 15-minute low, right? And or 10-minute low. It's fine to combine it, right? Low. And then we had high. Okay? If you want to get intricate with it on the 10, it's actually this, but let's not do that. Let's play it safer. Let's go on the higher term time frame. Let's do 30. Let's go 30-minute structure. Actually, even on the 30-minute. Did we take this high? Yeah, that would even remain true on the 30. Let's come on the hour. Anyways, whatever. It doesn't change what I'm trying to say here. So look, when you have the low and then you have the high, you could say higher, low, higher, high, whatever. But let's not. Let's go low, high, higher, low, higher high, and what we would expect is a higher low to then take us up to a higher high, right? That's what we're expecting. That's what we expect from this move. That's our expectational order flow, right? Now, when we see a 5-minute break, which happened, which is why I left it on the chart, right? Our 5-minute structure was, let's come on the 5. The 5-minute structure was low, high, yeah, low, high, potentially higher low. Wait, I lied. Hold on. Why am I tripping out, man? Too into the tunes right now, baby. Okay, no, I lied. I'm not gonna go so far back. We don't need to. It doesn't matter. 5-minute market structure was... Technically, it was here. It was low, high. We hit the lower high here. We hit the higher high and the lower high in the same candle, believe it or not. But let's not even count that. Let's play it safe, right? Let's say it was low, high, higher, low, or it was down here, right? Like this. And then here is where we broke it. Okay, here's where we broke it. And so if this is a 5-minute break, which we got cleanly, and we got closes below the 5-minute break, this is where it is safe to start targeting the 15-minute break. right? Which is exactly what happened. So when I shorted from here, expecting the break of the 5 minute to happen, once we started closing 5 minute candles below here, I was saying, all right, it's safe to target the 15 minute low. And whether or not it closes is irrelevant on the 5 minute, but because now this is a 15 minute low. So if we come to the 15 minute now, and we take a look at what happened, let's see very clearly. So the 5 minute broke. We don't need this anymore. 5 minute structure is bearish, right? This was mitigated. 5 minute structure is bearish. And now the 15 minute time frame broke its 15 minute low and it closed. So 15 minute market structure has now flipped bearish, right? It's low, high, and then we put in a lower low and we closed below this level. So this is a very important close. Now, what can we expect like normally, right? When we do this, we expect a retracement back into the range, back into the zone for a continuation to the downside. So right now, market structure is on the side of the shorts, okay? We can go all the way back up to this wick, right? We can come all the way back up while still remaining bullish on the 15 or 30 minute time frame, right? So it's very important to note that. So right now, I am actually expecting lower, and that adds confluence. And guys, this is how you build a narrative. I teach you guys how to build a narrative every day on this channel. That's how you build a narrative with where it's going to go using market structure. And I've done in the past where I've prioritized liquidity over market structure, but you can't do that. You can't. Because the truth is, like, you can't get from point A to point B without a market structure change, right? So if I'm talking about all the liquidity that's below us, which again, guys, there is a lot of liquidity below us, you can't even get down here unless this breaks, unless the 15 minute breaks, etc. Right? So very important for you guys to know and understand that. Right? Very, very important for you guys to know and understand that. Boom, boom, boom. Let me see here. I definitely got this structure drawn wrong. This is a key level, man. This is the 1 hour. The 1 hour break is here. Anyways, guys, that's really how it works. So we pay attention to the market structure, and if we break the 1 hour, we're very likely to come down to the daily, right? And the 4 hour. That's basically how it works. The 15 minute. Let's see. All right, let me actually check chat here. I was talking there for a long time. Giving y'all free heat, guys. Listen, if you haven't already hit the like button, there's 120 of you guys, and there's only 61 likes. So either you guys don't have fingers, or you don't like learning for literally absolutely free. So let me see them likes. And actually, while you guys get the likes up, I'm going to give you guys the VIP code. So best time for you guys right now. If you head over to the Discord, I give you guys updates on what I think is going to happen. Look at this. Yesterday I said, right? Yesterday we took the high. We took the 15-minute high, and the X marks the spot. I literally said, look, current market structure stands as simple. As of now, we S&P the high, whatever. This means our higher low failed to put in a higher high, aka X marks the spot. And where did we come to? Exactly the 15-minute. So if you were in the VIP Discord, then you got this update. Guys, I'm giving you the heat even at 5:30 a.m. because I don't sleep. Okay? So as soon as I get the alerts, I give you guys updates, right? And as soon as I saw this, I'm like, all right, X marks the spot. I hit short. I went to bed. Okay? Very, very easy concepts. Make sure you join. In order for you to join the Discord, first of all, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, y'all know how to do this, but join the Discord. The link is in the description down below. And in order for you to join the VIP section, all you have to do is DM my GeoBot up here, the 4-digit code that I give you in every single video. After every video, I purge you. In other words, I wipe everybody away from VIP. And you have to then send my GeoBot the new code that's in the new video. The video for this stream. The code for this stream, guys, is, go ahead and write it right now. I'm going to watch y'all live. 7294. Okay? 7294 is the VIP code. And not today, not yet, but I'm going to start eventually, maybe around Christmas time if I'm feeling not Grinch-like. I am going to start doing giveaways for the first person that enters my VIP on the stream. Right? Perhaps a bootcamp giveaway. We'll see. But that's the code, guys. 7294. Go ahead and DM my GeoBot. Oh, my boy here would have got it. He would have got the giveaway if we were starting it. All right, so beautiful. Anyways, guys, and you'll get the update. Okay, I want to talk real quick about one other thing before we get really intricate now. Before we get really in, and I mean, market makers making some moves here, but let's talk one more thing, guys. CVD on the high term time frames. The reason why we're getting this infinite pump is because CVD has been extremely bullish this entire move up. All right? Extremely bullish. If you don't know what CVD is, CVD basically shows you the market orders in the charts. Okay? Who's marketing in, not limit orders. And CVD shows you the direction, so more people, because open interest is increasing, which means people's interest, people are committing their liquidity. Open interest is increasing, so more people are shorting over time, yet price is going up. Why? That's because there's a whale, there are big orders, there are market makers, there are institutions that are buying up people's market short orders with their limit longs. And that's why price is going to the upside. Now, the thing with CVD is it is bullish until it is not, okay? What do we need to see for it to not be bullish? We now need to see a break of, honestly, really any of the lows. If CVD continues to head down, if this happens and we take this low, for example, now, and it doesn't even need to be a close, it can be a wick. Now, all of a sudden, this CVD from here to here lines up, right? So really taking any one of the lows would result in being bearish, would result CVD in not being bullish anymore, right? Okay, enough blabber, man, enough blabber. Let's jump down. Let's see what we're seeing right now. Okay, so 5-minute time frame. We got a nice red dot, probably a cheat sheet entry. Let's pull up our let's pull up our EMAs. Probably a cheat sheet entry. Looks like it. Yeah, I mean, we didn't come up enough to tap the 50 EMA, but we did come up and tap the daily open, which is good enough for me. And we're at the psychological levels of the week. If you don't know what that is, I have a complete video on it. Go watch the other videos. Now, we have red vector candles to the downside. We have thick money flow, and we have potentially a cheat sheet entry. I mean, it's playing out so far, okay? Over time, guys, I'm not gonna lie, this could come down. Let me come on the higher term time frame. 5 is kind of irrelevant to us right now. Yeah, okay. So why are we even getting this move to the downside? Well, we already know, and we've already talked about it, but we have money flow and momentum waves diverging. As we came in, we took the high again. As soon as I saw this, I got the alerts again. I hit the short button, as I mentioned, and I went back to bed. Okay, so we are currently trying to close multiple candles below this 15-minute break. Now, if you combine 15-minute breaks or with the 30, right, you need to watch for SFPs on multiple time frames, right? The 30-minute time frame right now could potentially indicate an SFP. What does an SFP mean in terms of market structure? Well, technically speaking, right, if our 30-minute structure is like this, is low, high, lower, low, but we can't close below here, then what, just like I said here, just like I told you guys, X marks the spot, X marks the spot, right? So it would be considered an SFP. If it's an SFP, then X marks the spot. So right now, what is trying to happen? So the 15-minute officially closed below. So it's not an SFP on the 15-minute, but it is an SFP as of now on the 30-minute. So we need to be paying attention to the 30-minute time frame. And as of now, we're gonna mark this as our red X on the 30X. So we're gonna keep it like this for now, right? We're gonna keep it like that as it is right now. If the 30-minute confirms and closes below this level, which is 37,688, then I will say, all right, guys, we're heading down. We're heading down. How can you determine whether or not that's gonna happen? Well, now we're gonna follow market structure on the lower term time frames, right? You can even come to the 2-minute time frame. Let's get rid of TR main here. get rid of my Bollinger Bands. Okay. So let's see. 2-minute market structure is, I wouldn't even count this. This is range based. I'm not interested. 2-minute market structure, to be honest. Down. Honestly, if you want to play it safe, I would go all the way down. You could argue that it's like this. Fine. We could argue that. And so if we start to break above this level now, here. Yo, this song is fire. Basically, exactly what I just said. I'm not going to go over it again, but basically exactly what I just said for how we got from the high to the low. And you follow market structure, you do this on the lower term time frames now, right? So we're expecting potentially, if this 30-minute SFP plays out, which right now it's looking like it is, if this 30-minute SFP plays out, then where's the weak high? Actually, technically, it would be here, right? This would be a weak targeted high because this high failed to put in a lower low. So this is 30-minute structure. It's like this. 30-minute structure is from here down and now down, right? So this would be our targeted high. X marks the spot. It would actually be up here. My apologies. If we cannot close a 30-minute candle below here. How do we find that out? We follow the market structure on the lower term time frames. If the 3-minute or the 5-minute or the 2-minute, for example, flips bullish, then guys, X marks the spot. So you can take your longs up to this X based on the 30-minute market structure indicating that X marks the spot. If we come and we close above here, you best believe we're coming again for the high. Because why wouldn't we? Right? If we SFP this level, then where's X marks the spot? Where's the low? X marks the spot. Right? So it's fairly simple to trade based on market structure, right? And let's just say you took a long, right? Let's just say you took a long based on 2-minute market structure, flipping bullish. I'm not long yet, but let's just say you did. Cool. Remember, in order for price, and let's say it goes up, right? Market structure flips bullish. Right? We come down, flips bullish right there. You entered, let's say there, okay? If price on the 2-minute starts making its way up and then shows you this, or 3-minute or 5-minute or whatever, and then shows you this before hitting this, well, that's a good indication that, remember, in order for price to even get back down to your entry, there needs to be a bearish flip in market structure. So as soon as you see that, you get the hell out of the trade. Very simple. Very, very simple, guys. Very simple. All right. Enough talking, man. Let me check chat, man. I've been neglecting y'all. I'm sorry, guys. Listen, guys, I'm giving you guys all this heat. Listen, guys, look. I am giving you this heat that people charge like $500 for. Okay? Go to any other crypto YouTuber. Go to any other crypto person. What do? First of all, they don't even have personalities, minus a few. But the first thing, they're like, yo, I'll teach you how to trade. $500, gimme. And then it's like, okay, well, you haven't built any reputation. You haven't built any rapport. You have no credibility. Like, how much? I'm giving you guys everything. Listen, I'm corrupting the space. I'm giving you guys everything for free. Now I am officially, best news ever, I am officially monetized. So please, guys, do me a favor. Hit the like button, man. Hit the like button for me. And actually, you know what? Man, you guys make me do this. I don't like doing this. You guys make me do this. Like, I'm not gonna continue until we're at 100 likes. We're at 135 people in the stream, and there's only 77 likes. I will continue giving you guys the heat at 100 likes. And while we do this, we're gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Y'all know what time it is. I'll be back in 5 minutes. You guys know what I'm doing. So drop the emojis. I'm gonna go on my other account, and I'm gonna answer your comments while I'm doing what I'm doing. I want 100 likes, guys. I'll be right back. 100 likes or the show ends. Guys, that was like a minute and a half. Man, I'm so efficient, baby. All right. Let me catch up on the comments while I'm here. I gotta do this real quick. Okay. Oh man, that is so funny, bro. That is so funny how fast I am. All right. Power Friend says, fellow Ontarian here. You're using KuCoin now for trading. When you use affiliate links, they say Ontario's no good. I use the VPN, bro. I don't use KuCoin. I use the VPN. And I don't even KYC. I use the VPN. Yeah, and Mexi has no KYC. As soon as Mexi has KYC, we're all bouncing from Mexi and we're going to the next one. That's just kind of how it is. When you say break all, I understand why we're going. When you say break all, I understand why we're going to 30K in 1 minute candle. Oh man, it can happen, guys. It can happen. It can happen. All right. Just remember, guys, all exchanges aren't safe. Tim, bro, listen, guys, shout out to Tim, man. Tim, you know when you sent me the super chat like 2 months ago? First of all, again, I appreciate that. But yo, I'm monetized again. Thank God, man. It took me so long. Hey, Gio, what's the difference in your YouTube videos of market structure and your boot camp? The boot camp goes like really refined in rules and stuff. It's a lot more refined. It's a lot more detailed. And it has rules that I'm not going to release like for in public. And it changes, like it matters. But listen, don't take my advice for it. Ask the others that have taken it. What if you have bearish market structure? Would I wait for bearish liquidity to grab and then sure? It depends, man. It depends. To answer that, you got to honestly you got to take the boot camps, the market structure and the order blocks of boot camps. You hope next time you win the giveaway. I hope so too, bro. I hope so too. Didn't we get rejection from 38,506? We did. We did get a rejection from there. And we SFP'd the high again. So the target of that SFP, now that, like, look, if the 30-minute breaks this SFP and starts to actually close below, because remember, this is an actual bearish break of structure on the 15-minute time frame. And originally, we did our TA on the 15. Now, we are also aware that it could SFP on the 30. But let's just say we start to close below here. What does that tip you off? Remember, up here, we SFP'd. Okay? So now you come to higher term time frames, and you say, what is your 1 hour structure? 1 hour structure is very simple. 1 hour structure is low. One hour structure is low. Wait, do I have 100 likes? Oh, I do. Okay. I almost was about to stop giving you guys the heat. 1 hour structure was, you know, low, high, low, high. Actually, not even. This is the low, technically. If you take it properly, 1 hour structure. 1 hour structure breaks down here, right? So this is our 1 hour break where the line is. And so remember, the high of the 1 hour structure is up here. Okay. So if the 15-minute breaks now and we SFP'd it on the 1 hour as well, well, X marks the spot, guys. X marks the spot, right? Fairly simple. Very, very simple. And guys, if I'm kind of blowing your minds right now, good. Join the boot camp, man. I'll blow it even a little bit more. That sounded wrong, but y'all know what I'm saying. All right. Okay, all right. I'm seeing massive dump incoming. Yo, that's so funny, man. All right, HP Music says, Gio, do I use MCA? Not really, man. Not really. I've started to dabble with it again, but I'll tell you the thing with Market Cipher A. I'm gonna make a video on it eventually. I'm gonna tell you the honest truth, in my opinion. Man, I'm gonna dump the VWAP. I kind of know which symbols are present in the chart, but like without even seeing it. Like I could tell you that there's a red X here as the candle is forming. I don't know. I've just become like one with Market Cipher. You guys know I'm the #1 Market Cipher guru in the world. So, all right, great live always. When I join, always appreciate the show. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. You took the fake out back into the range, but closed the position in profit. Hey, man, profit is profit. Candles don't lie. You already know the name. The answer's in the question in your name. Thank you for all the free alpha. Rahard says, no problem, bro. No worries. I am destabilizing the space. Listen, I am going to be the biggest. I don't even want to say YouTuber. That's such a lame term, but I'm going to be the biggest in the space, and I'm going to change the business model for everybody because you guys should not have to pay. The truth is you don't want to learn until you lose, which is the sad truth. You don't learn until you lose. And if you just lost your whole account, why am I going to charge you $500? I can make money. Man, the difference is I can take the market's money. I don't need your money. You guys can pay me in other ways, like your attention, like hitting the like button and giving me the watch time, you know? All right, I love when you guys give me the dump emojis. Massive dump incoming on GeoCoin. That's so funny, man. That's so funny. There's nothing bearish on Bitcoin right now. It depends on the time frame you're looking at, man. Depends on the time frame you're looking at. If we close a 30-minute below, I would even say this wick to be safer, right? Remember the staircasing effect we talked at the beginning of the stream. If we close a 30-minute candle below here, that is bearish. Doesn't mean we're gonna go to zero. That's not what I'm saying, but it is bearish if we start to close candles below here. Short's gonna get wrecked. I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see. Guys, 200x short the GeoCoin. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you wait for the weak high to be taken out before entering in a short. Do I wait for the weak high to be taken out before entering a short? I mean, typically, it depends, man. Typically, you'd rather trade with the trend. But there are ways to do it, man. There are order blocks. There's like liquidity to find your zones and whatnot, right? To find your zones. Gio, why KYC is a deal breaker? KYC is a deal breaker for me because Ontario sucks and doesn't allow us to do any kind of gambling, doesn't allow us to do any leverage, so I can't get approved. They won't approve me. Super chat. Oh, there's no option. I'll make sure. Didn't mean to blow our horns. We're going to 36 for real. I'll tell you this, man. If we go down to 36, I don't see why we wouldn't come down to 34. But listen, we'll see, man. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna just play. Man, you guys know, man. I trade the ranges. I follow the market structure. If you understand Geo on live stream, you'll comprehend his boot camps. Thank you, LA Crypto. You lost thousands trading over the last couple years. Now you bought TradingView Premium and Market Cipher. I'll tell you this, bro. I'll tell you this, Chris. These are tools to help you, but you need to learn the fundamentals. And if you stick around my channel, I'll give it all for free. I'll give it all for free. Well, a lot of big personalities can't even trade. Yeah, that's true. Very true. Very true. 4-hour bear div on the stochastic RSI. Let's go. 4-hour bear. Bro, we got bear divs everywhere, man. Everywhere. And so, respectfully, I disagree when Dead Iron says shorts are gonna get wrecked again. It's possible. Depends on the time frame that you're discussing, but you can't say there's nothing bearish because there's a lot that is bearish, in my opinion. BTC can dump fast, but Geo does it faster. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Come on, guys. Support Geo and pay for his VIP. He deserves it. Hey, Piano Felipe, you're my bro, man. I appreciate that. Guys, the VIP, listen, I'm gonna tell you guys this. I'm gonna guarantee you guys this, okay? The VIP right now is $12 or $13 or whatever it is. I can never promise that the price will go down, but the VIP price, I can guarantee you it is only going to increase, okay? If you get it now, you will remain with today's rate. So I'm not going to charge you guys more if you have this version of it. If in a month I change it to $50 a month and I drop the free version of it, which I might, I don't know. Right now everything like is going to be free. But you guys got to understand I need to eat, right? If that happens, then you're stuck with a new rate. I'm just saying. And I'm not going to make exceptions on that. All right. Geo, wouldn't I staircase the last high so the 4-hour protection? I would, man. I would. It depends, man. It depends. That kind of goes with with building your narrative. Like, I would look at other scenarios. I don't just say, all right, I would staircase it here, but I wouldn't staircase it here. Like in this case, this daily SFP, like let me give you the example. This very strong daily SFP that we've been watching, right? Although I want a staircase, yes, I do give this a little bit more significance, which is why it's nice and thick and juicy. Because we've tried for many days. right? So yes, I normally would staircase it, and to be super safe, you would really want to see a close above here. But this is a very significant level, and we've talked about it. And so right now in this range, guys, if we lose the value area high again, it's not uncommon to come down, guys. It's really not. Really not. All right, guys. Guys. Y'all know what time it is, baby. Hold on. I gotta get it. Yo, my music is fire. Do you guys like this music? It's so fire. By the way, guys, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're new here, stick around because I give you guys a lot for free. And make sure you hit the subscribe button with the notification bell. You know what I'm saying? All right, what was I gonna do? We're gonna do what we're gonna do here, baby. We gonna do what we gonna do. And I'm actually gonna save this on my other browser. Everybody else but you. Whoa, 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 whoa. And everybody else but you. Y'all know it's party time, baby. Y'all know. Y'all know what time it is. Hold on. Hold the phone, baby. All right, guys. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know the drill. We're gonna hit play here. Y'all know the drill, baby.
You back to what you need initially. It's just one call away.
Guys, if I have helped make you money in any way for free, and I've helped build your wealth or your knowledge, please do me a solid and drop the money bag emojis, baby. It's party time.
'Cause he seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should. And all your friends say he's the one. His love for you is true.
Let me see the money bags, baby. Money bags. Does he know you call me when he
sleeps? But
does he know the pictures that you keep?
But does he know your heart?
Let's go! Money bags, money bags. Money bags and thunderbolts.
Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies?
Yeah, boy. Listen, guys, on this next one, money bags and thunderbolts. Money bags and thunderbolts. If I have helped make you money for absolutely free, show your peers. Hit the like button. Money bags, thunderbolts, and then we get back to the TA.
Like you should, and all your friends say he's the one. His love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps?
Does he know the pictures that you keep?
Does he know the reason that
Money bags, thunderbolts, money bags, thunderbolts. Let's see them. I want 100 of them.
does he know
Where your heart lies.
where it truly lies? Does he know the reason
That you
cry? Oh,
tell me, does he know where?
your heart lies, where it truly lies.
Yup. Yup, that was fun. That was fun, man. That was freaking fun. Look at the chat, man. Y'all are... Ooh. That's the best part of every stream, man. That's the best part of every stream. Whew, I'm out of breath almost. I'm gonna hit the gym after that. For sure. Guys, they took my treadmill away, bro. And by that, I mean they broke it. They decided to break my treadmill. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? All right. Let's see. Let's come on the 5, right? Let's see. Let's come check on the 5. Let's dump market Cipher A. We don't need you, broski. Thanks for your help, but we don't need you. All right. 5-minute market structure is as follows. High, low, potentially lower high, potentially lower low. So really, I'm going to be honest. 5-minute structure can come all the way up to here. Right? All the way up here. And still be bearish. Now, the 2-minute structure is a different story. 2-minute structure is up, down, up, down. You could call that... You could... do I want to call that one? Does it change anything? Not really. No, I'm not going to count this. So 2-minute break needs to be technically here, but that's kind of ugly still, right? So unless we take the low, because when we take the low, then we put in a new lower high. But unless we take the low, this is your 2-minute structure, right? And that's kind of some ways away. That's, you know, almost a percent away. So if we're going to come to if the 2-minute high is here, or the 5-minute high is here, like, do we really care that much about the 2-minute high? Because by the time this breaks, we're already almost up here, right? So it's not that relevant to us. But I will tell you this. Market structure on the 2-minute, or sorry, market Cipher on the 2-minute right now is money flow's coming in, right? Money flow's coming in. We're still not seeing the divergences that I would like to see, right? We had thick money flow. Yeah. 2-minute, it might go up, but I'm not super convinced based on my knowledge on market Cipher. Let's come on the 5. Let's see what we see on the 5. So 5 minutes still, we're not getting the divergence. We know that the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And we know that in order for this, like, we don't really care about this 2-minute high. And like the 5-minute high is more important to close above, right? But I would prefer we actually come down, take this high again, or this low again, right? And give us a more clear... giving us like a more clearly defined, like a better high, right? Because this is too close and I don't like that. So I would rather come down to like this. I'd rather do something like this. Let's just say we come down lower, right? It would be high on the 2-minute, high, low, high. I don't count that one based on my market structure rules. Then it would be lower high, wherever the lower low is. Then if we flip like this, right, then this would be the level to watch. So but that's not the case right now. Technically, the 2-minute high right now is up here. Am I crazy about that? Not really. Right? So I'm not really going to be paying attention to that, but we'll see, man. We'll see. I would like to come a little bit lower. I'd like to take the low again. All right. We had bear divs the whole way up, and people were longing resistance. And right the whole time. Took me 3 to figure it out. Yeah, man, they've been doing that. How many people have shorted now based on the bear div? So many people, bro. So many people, myself included, but I play the range. Mastermind says, I thought you didn't need our money. I don't need your money, man. I don't need your money. But at the same time, as I grow, and it's not about money for me. I gotta be fair to myself, just as I'm fair to you guys, right? I give you guys everything for free. Like, there's a free version of my VIP. I give you guys all the call outs. I give you guys all the sauce. I give you guys all the knowledge. The only thing that I charge for is the boot camps, because, and look, I charge for the boot camps and I charge for the VIP access if you don't want to watch the videos, right? Or if you don't have the convenience of watching the videos and like sending the code, because I'm gonna start, now that I'm monetized, I'm posting a video every day, every other day, like not every other day, once a day or even twice a day. So if you don't want the inconvenience of getting purged twice a day, you're at work or whatever, you live lives, I understand. And then you could pay for the VIP. The other thing is the boot camps, and that's only because I need to be fair to my time, right? Just like I'm fair to you guys and I give you guys everything for free, and I don't need to. if I'm sitting and I'm doing a 3-hour course and I'm answering your questions and I'm giving you my time, then I have to be fair to myself. It's not about the money. But I have to be fair to myself. Just like I'm fair to you guys, I got to be fair to myself. All right, VIP code, guys. If you're not in the Discord, make sure you join. The links in the description down below. And in order to join my free VIP section where I give you guys the updates and exactly what I'm looking for, here I told you X marks the spot, right? We had that earlier today. I gave you guys this at 5:30 a.m. I don't sleep, guys. I honestly don't sleep. So make sure you join by DMing my bot up here, the 4-digit code, which you're going to hear right now, 7294, all right? 7294 is the VIP code. Make sure you come to the top right here, DM my bot, and I'll give you guys some flavor. All right. No option for super chats. Yeah, I don't know. There was one. I just only got monetized this morning. Damn, you guys are really coming at me for that comment, eh? What was the Moth to a Flame remix last time? Was this the same one, like the one that I played in the Discord, or the one that I played on the YouTube? Which one are you referring to, sir? All right, where are we at? Yo, Gio, where's the VIP purchase link? All right, so if you come to the Discord, under how to enter VIP, I show you guys how to do it, whatever. Here, if you come to this website, wap.com, it's here. So it's $12.99 a month right now. Yeah. Super cheap, man. Super cheap. Super cheap. All right, let's talk about the price. What time is it? Let me check the time. I gotta go in a bit, guys. I got a haircut. Yeah, I gotta go soon. I gotta go in like 20 minutes. Gio, you just had the playback speed at 1.5 to catch up. Why did I get demonetized? Man, I got demonetized because here, I'll just send you guys the link on the WAP link. And then we'll talk about what I think is gonna happen next, and then I gotta go. I got demonetized because it wasn't even my fault, man. They wanted me to confirm. Hold on, in message. They wanted me to what's it called? They wanted me to verify my ID, but there was no verification button. Like, so it was like an IT thing. Like, there, like on the screen that I had to go on, there was no button to click it. So I went back and forth for like 2-3 weeks emailing them, and I'm like, guys, there's no button. Like, I can't do it. And they're like, we fixed it. There should be a button. I'm like, no, there's no money. I mean, there's no button. And so, you know, it was mad hard, man. It was mad difficult to do. It was very annoying to deal with. Very annoying to deal with. All right. But nonetheless, I got it all figured out. I got it all sorted, thankfully, finally. And yeah. Where am I? Okay. I don't know. I grabbed the wrong ones there. All right. Man, believe me, bro. It was so annoying. It was so annoying. And getting a hold of them was like crazy, man. It took so long. It took so long. It was very annoying. Okay. So, we know that in order for us to have a move to the upside, I mean, you could consider this a high, but let's check the one. Like, this is 1 minute structure. Fine. You could say that this is the 1 minute high that we need to break above. You could say that. I'm still not too keen on it, but we'll pay attention to it nonetheless. So, am I expecting a liquidity grab, you said, to the high? Wait, who asked that? Yo, Gio, am I expecting a liquidity run above? Man, these questions are funny. Okay, let's dive away from the market structure here for a little bit, and let's talk about what might happen. So, guys, this dump seems like the dumps are not very prolonged. Like, they're very short-lived. But this dump that we had earlier this morning bounced exactly off of our macro range value area high. Okay, macro range value area high. Oh, wait, sorry. Where are we? Oh, wait, I was on the high. Wait, did this change? Oh, I lied. Okay, let's get rid of it. Okay. Yeah. So we bounced earlier. When was this? Was this today? Okay, this is the line right here. So local value area high. LVAH. All right. Yeah. So okay. Now that jeez, sorry guys, I'm brain fart there. Okay. Earlier today, we bounced exactly off, literally to the dollar, off of the value area high. Okay. That is a bullish thing. That is a bullish thing. We do have vector candles above us that we can come and we can recover. Let's hide these trend lines. We do have vector candles that we can come and recover 100%. Okay. So there's no denying that. There's no disputing that. However, for me, technically speaking, right, we did break 15-minute bearish market structure. Did we close below the 30? The 30-minute time frame still has not closed below this level, right? 37667. So that being said, the high that we put in on the 30-minute time frame in terms of market structure is the recent high is technically this high up here, right? On the 30, it is this high. So X marks the spot, right? We definitely could come and take the high again, right? The 30-minute time frame right now, we have thick money flow. We got VWAP actually curving outwards, and we're kind of approaching somewhat of a low. We are, right? Now, this is where my my market cipher expertise comes into play. On the 15, we actually do not have. I mean, technically, yeah, we have a hidden bull dip here. That is true. We can expect, in my opinion, a recovery of this vector candle. And we also know that we have liquidity above that we can grab, right? If we grab our liquidity curve, this is a nice curve. If I jump down the lower term time frames, we can see we got a nice curve of liquidity that we can easily pop back up and grab, right? Very easily. No doubt in my mind. For me, money flow is still thick on the 5. Okay, money flow is still thick in the red on the 5. What do we know about money flow? The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. You guys know I'm not really satisfied with this high, right? Like on 5-minute market structure, there's no doubt about it. 5-minute structure, we need to break this line way up here in order to be bullish, right? Because 5-minute right now is bearish. Truth, that's the truth, right? 5-minute is bearish. So if the 5-minute market structure right now is bearish, right, and it broke there. If the 5-minute market structure is bearish, in order for us to even take the liquidity, the 5-minute at some point needs to become bullish, but that's where the liquidity line is. So it's not really of use to us. Should you long here? In my opinion, like, you could be right about it, but probably not. You'd have to watch lower term time frame stuff, which we already established, like, isn't really great in this kind of price action, right? The 2-minute isn't really the strongest time frame, obviously. And so, you know, so I wouldn't, for me personally, but I'm also like hedged. I got longs from way lower. I got shorts from higher, but because money flow is thick here, I do think we can come and take the low. What we would ideally like to see is, because remember, 5-minute market structure is as follows. We have the high, we have the low. I want the low to be taken, which means if the low gets taken, this would be a higher low. Or sorry, this would be a lower high. And then we would make a lower low. And then now the level that we need to break is this level. And when we break this level on the 5-minute time frame, because the 5, right, we're following market structure. So when we break that, then we can say, all right, now potentially we're going to come up and target the rest of the liquidity. But as of now, for me, based on market structure and my rules and what I want to see, I don't want to long because I want to take the low again. I want to see the divergences. We know the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences that we have. And for me, I'm not very satisfied with this sort of price action. But listen, even if we don't take the low again, what you can do, and you can do this on all time frames, guys, pull your fib tool, grab your range, right? We have a range here, and just play the range. When we're at the high of the range, look for shorts. When we're at the low of the range, look for longs, and then hold it in whichever direction you'd like to take, right? If you take a long from here, take profit here, and then just let the rest run and put your stop loss at the entry. And if you can get long from here and short from here, and you took profit here, now either way it goes, you're a winner, right? Doesn't really matter. So that's what I would suggest you do. But as of right now, I would like to come down and take the low again. All right. Flex, dude, what's up, brother? How are you? You want a long because weekly VWAP bounce, but you don't like it? Man, I'm gonna tell you this, Samuel. If you're trading on the weekly time frame because you think there's a weekly VWAP bounce right now, I'll tell you this for certain. Whether you end up being right or wrong about the play, right now is not the time to swing long. And if you're opening up a position based on the weekly time frame, I guarantee you this is not the right time. Whether it works out or not is a different story, right? Whether it works out is a different story, but like, is it smart to? No, it's not smart to. You might get it, right? But it is definitely not smart to. You watched my volume video and you're looking at naked point of control at 36.5. Yeah, so let's pull up the naked points of controls because I got a lot, man. I got a lot of points of controls down here. I agree. We do have a 36.5 naked daily point of control, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. When we came for this low, I really thought we were gonna come and grab this liquidity. We didn't. I didn't actually get this long. I was really hoping that we would, and I was ready to. And I believe I actually have a range zone here. Yeah. Right, so I was very much prepared. This was the zone I was looking for, and I gave you guys this in advance, guys. Again, in the VIP Discord, for free. I give you guys the levels, right? I do a lot of updates. That's why I'm scrolling up. I updated you guys like 5 times just overnight alone. But let me see. Where's my zones? The zones that I gave in advance. Okay, it wasn't, surely couldn't have been that long ago. Oh yeah, here. Right? So this one here, this 36.5. And so that's what I was expecting. I did want to come down a little bit lower. I did account for this order block that we actually bounced off of. However, because we have the naked daily point of control, and we know that the naked daily points of control serve as magnets. I really wanted to grab that. I just wanted to tap it. I just didn't see a reason why we wouldn't come down and tap it. We didn't, and whatever, it is what it is. But you know, I am definitely going to be looking towards there as well. But I will tell you this, man, if we come down and we tap that naked daily point of control, I don't see why we wouldn't come down to the value area low. And then if we come down to the value area low on the higher term time frame, we have more of a macro range, right? We have this macro value area. And so if we start to get down here and we start to close down here, it's actually likely that we rotate down to 33K. So again, whether or not that's going to happen is to be determined, right? But there's no doubt in my mind, guys, that eventually there is going to be a monster wick to the downside. Eventually. All right. Yav says, thanks for explaining that, Gio. That was super helpful. For what it's worth, you're definitely not longing anytime. Cool, man. I'm glad you found out. Oh, weekly VWAP. I was looking at the weekly VWAP on Market Cipher B. Yeah, I don't even check the weekly VWAP if I'm being honest with you. Gio, do we have a release date for my indicators? Not yet, man. Not yet. I'm working with the guys. I'm working with them, but not yet. You'll get them soon enough. And this order blocks indicator, we're shooting to have it by like next week. This order block indicator is exactly what it sounds like, an order blocks indicator. And it's based on my rules. And so, man, like, look, I'll be honest. It's still beneficial for you to take the boot camp, but if you want to be lazy about it, this is my order blocks hour, not mine. I didn't code it, but it's my rules. And so, you know, we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully by next week, I'm working with the gentleman together to get that for you guys. Guys, if you haven't hit the like button already, please do me a solid and hit the like button. 137 of you, 125 likes. I'm actually very grateful. I can't even complain. This is the most likes that I've ever had. So I really appreciate y'all kicking it with me. What time is it, man? I gotta go soon. All right, guys, listen, hear me out. Tomorrow I may not stream. I gotta go to court, unfortunately. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated, obviously. But yeah, now that I'm monetized again, expect to get purged. Sorry, guys. Sorry, expect to get purged a lot more. A lot more. I came for the low. All right, man. So, guys, we're not doing anything spicy right now, to be honest. Another boring stream because... not boring stream, I hope. I hope not boring stream. But we're just ranging, right? We're not doing anything too crazy here. We're just kind of in this little range. So, we'll see. We'll see. If you feel the itch and you need to trade, you need to, for whatever reason, you have to. You just pull your range. Just trade the range. When you're at the high of the range, short. When you're at the low of the range, long. Super easy to do. Super easy to do. All right, let's see if this 30 is going to give us a nice close. Let's see. Quiet chat, man. Quiet chat. Guys, listen, I'm gonna go use the washroom because I don't remember how much this was at when we started the stream. But the tank is full, you know what I'm saying? All right, Gio got the speeding ticket. No, I actually got holding my phone in my hand. Stupid. Targets before I leave. I'm not leaving yet, man. I'm gonna stick around a little bit. No, not an alimony case. New to the channel, love your content. Was wondering, do I hold or own any crypto? I hold and own a lot of crypto. Also, Crypto Beehive. I feel like you've been here before. You're not new. You're not new. What's the range that we're in? Well, it depends on the time frame that you're looking at. Like, this could be considered a range. Let's hide all this. Wait, what are the brushes? What did I do on the brushes? What is this? Oh, yeah, I need that. Okay. Yeah, so look. It kind of just depends, man. It depends on the time frame that you're looking at and how well you are able to identify a range. I have a rule for how I identify my ranges as well, which you can get in the boot camp if you like. But you know, depends on the time frame you're looking at. Like this very clearly. That very clearly is the range, right? This very clearly is a range. That's another range. Okay. You could even say that this whole thing is a very large range. Right? You could, if you chose to. I'm not, but you could. And so, yeah, but like locally, and you can do this on all time frames, man. So like locally, look, we had a dump down and now we're ranging. Like we're starting our range. So you can see very clearly that we're just in a range. We're just kind of just chilling here, right? Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, man. What song is this? Which one did you want? I only just saw it. Rhythm of the night. So I guess this range in numbers, this very local 5-minute range, is 37892 and 37556. Good stream, thanks, Gio. Thank you, man. Thanks for kicking it with me. Mina You says, morning, Gio. Just started stream playing catch up. Enjoy your day, champ. Your pimple is huge. Bro, I know, man. I get one pimple a year. And it came late this year. It came late. What's in the private Discord? So if you come into my Discord. Oh, whoops. By the way, shouts out to myself. This is a bomb-ass wallpaper. Basically in the Discord, I give you guys updates on what I think is going to happen and how Market Cipher B is looking. Right? So like this morning actually was just funny. I took a short from here. People, like very locally, we had local CVD bearish divergences. I believe when we came up to this high. So actually overnight, I shorted from here. I took profit down here. I longed from here. I took profit here and I shorted from here. And now I'm still holding my short. And I just give you guys, you know, the updates. Like let's see here, for example, this morning at 5:30 a.m. So Gio does not sleep. Geo does not sleep. Let me go back so you can get the name, so I can remember to give you the name of the song. So Geo does not sleep, okay? I said current market structure stands very simple. As of now, we SFP'd the high, da-da-da, whatever. I give you guys the updates, and I say, all right, X marks the spot. And that was at 5:30 a.m. my time, 15-minute time frame. And that was up here, right? 15-minute time frame. That was when we were up here. Let's hide our vector candles so it's nice and clean. That was when we were up here, right? Same chart. Same thing right here. Right here. Where did the music go? Hello? This is the rhythm of the night. Okay, was this the one that you wanted? Anyway, so I gave you guys the updates, right? X marks the spot. We absolutely came down and we took that low. I took profit here for the record, but I am still holding my shorts a little bit longer. So that's all the VIP is, and it's free for you to join, right? All you got to do is send the... Every time I post a new video, I have a VIP code that you just come and you DM my bot, the 4-digit code, and then you'll have access to this for free. And then every time I post a new video, everybody gets wiped from VIP, right? You guys get all purged, which is what I call the VIP purge. And then you have to send the new code every time. And here you go, brother. Whoever wanted the name of the song, here it is. It is right there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick because I've been drinking. I've been drinking, my boys. But listen, do me a favor. While I'm using the bathroom, comment. What should I get you to comment? I don't even know. I got you, bro. I posted it there. I posted it in the thing for you. Okay, I can't think of what to comment. So if you think of something funny to comment, then do that. But I'm gonna use the bathroom. I'll be back in 2 minutes. I have returned. Yeah, the VIP code was said twice, but I'm gonna give you guys it one more time, but I'll give it to you in like 5 minutes. How do I get taxed if I don't KYC? I'm not gonna answer that. No, I'll give you guys the code one more time. You guys get it 3 times. Did I wash my hands? I did. Geo's bladder is tiny. Yeah, bro. I mean, well, is it, or is this thing like literally the size of my freaking head? Right? Right, man? All right. Okay. Let's see what's going on. What is going on here? Yeah, so, I mean, again, guys, look. I told you guys this a few minutes ago, right? We're getting some anchor triggers, fine. Not significant waves for me. I will make a video on what I consider significant waves. I've been saying that for so long, but I'm actually gonna do it. Perhaps tomorrow after court. Stupid officer. Anyway, I want to see the logo, man. I want to see the logo one more time before I decide to hit the long button. Right? And that's if we even hold this, right? Let's see. Did we close? 15, we closed below. 30, we still didn't close. So 30 still has the potential of giving us that move to the upside. We do have the liquidity. We do have the vector candles, right? So we are aware that we can make it back to the high. In my opinion, if we come to this high, I mean, we could, let's do TA. Let's see where we could come to. Let's come to my regular chart. Oh, we are on the regular chart. Okay. With the dance, with the dance, with the... So guys, look, I want to come lower. I do want to come a little bit lower, right? If we SFP into this box, I will long, right? I will look to long. And actually, this is not... There we go. I will 100% look to long if we come down to this level. Let me actually put in... I have an alert here. I will look to long. I want to come a little bit lower. I do. Whether or not we get it, I don't know. But I do want to come a little bit lower. And let's see what else do we have. We're losing important daily levels. We're at a weekly level, which is why we're kind of just chilling here, right? The naked point of control, we already know. Value areas are kind of all over the place. I want to come lower, man. I want to come and touch this box. That would be nice. For me, that's where I'm looking. I'm not looking to long here. If we take this low SFP and touch the box, I will consider it based on how market Cipher is looking. Dance with the groove. Cheers, yo. Sorry if you upset the code policing. No, man, you're good, bro. You're good. Yeah, man, I swear I washed. Here, smell. I swear I washed it. All right. Dubai, let's go. When is the bootcamp competition happening? So the 3 contestants right now are deciding on what they're going to do for the competition. Are they gonna like I suggested maybe drinking like a whole can or like a whole bottle of soda and like no burping, but then people can hide it. So, you know, whether or not they're deciding. They're actually measuring. Look at this, bro. They're actually measuring out crackers right now because they don't live in the same place. So like they're trying to make it fair. And I told them, I'm like, yo, you guys can do whatever you guys want, you know, like you guys decide amongst yourselves. But I'm like, yo, bro, I'm getting y'all to measure crackers. Oh man. All right, let's see where we can come to the high. That is so funny though, man. That is so funny. Like, yo, I never knew that I was that much of a mass manipulator. You know, the pimple gets bigger when I lie. When am I lying, bro? Oh, because I'm saying I washed my hands? I swear, bro. I swear. Heard that promise a few times. Can someone send me the link to buy the boot camps? Travis, listen, if you want the boot camps, I'm currently working on getting the boot camps for you guys on WAP. Okay? They're not up on WAP yet. So, if you're interested in the boot camps, DM either myself or DM one of the moderators. Okay? Tell them that tell me or them that you are interested in the boot camps, and we'll send you details. By the way, guys, the next boot camp is gonna be called... What did I say it was gonna be called? Man, I had it all professional. Here. The next boot camp, which I haven't decided yet. It's either gonna be in December or it's gonna be in January. But it's gonna be key levels and building the narrative. So it's gonna be how I get these yellow boxes. Okay. How do I get the yellow boxes? How do I decide which yellow boxes I want to keep? How do I decide which ones I want to get rid of? How do I decide, you know, like basically what I'm looking for when I enter them, and building the narrative, like, yeah, basically. And you guys know, man, I give you guys the call outs all the time, and it's not very uncommon for us to get the sniper entries. Okay, guys, VIP code city. Are you guys ready? Are y'all ready for it? VIP code. Are y'all ready? 7294. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you join the Discord. It's completely free. The link is in the description down below. And for you to join my VIP section, all you have to do is DM my GeoBot up here. That's 4-digit code that you hear throughout the video. For this stream, the code is 7294. And actually, while you guys are doing that, let's see how many new Geodudes we got on stream today. Damn. Let's go, baby. Welcome, everybody. I used to actually wave to all of you guys, but it gets so hard, man. When I press it, it scrolls my screen. So this is more personal. Let me make my face nice and big for you guys. Welcome, my friends. Welcome to the Discord. Welcome to the community. Everything I give for you guys, with exception of the boot camps, is free. So stick around. You might learn a thing or two. All right, man. All right. Smells like a banana. Which one of my scalping strategies with Market Cipher do I recommend? Good question, Gerardo. First of all, sick name. That's first of all. Let's see if we're going to take this low here. Second of all, I'm actually going to start focusing very hard over the next month on Market Cipher content. And I'm actually going to start giving you guys actual strategies that you can implement. Okay? So, stick around. I'll answer that a little bit better for you. And I'll have videos that actually illustrate strategies for you. But basically, in short, divergences, divergences, divergences. True story. I freaking hate bananas. True story. I like them in smoothies, though. Somebody, you gotta use somebody. All right, next party, baby. Let's get the next party going. Let us get the next party going. And guys, this might be the goodbye party because I gotta go cut my hair, man. Listen, guys, do me the solid. Y'all know how it goes. Y'all know how it goes. If I have given you any free value whatsoever, please do me a solid. We're gonna hit this party right now. And I need you guys to drop me the money bag emojis, baby. Let's go.
Sometimes you gotta lose somebody
Just to find out you really love someone and know.
And I do, and I do, and I do, yeah.
Oh, won't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. Shut up and dance with me. Money bags, money bags, money bags. Let me see the money bags. Money bags, money bags, money bags.
Sometimes you gotta lose
Somebody.
You don't know what you got until it's gone. Sometimes you
Yeah.
gotta lose somebody.
And the Harry Potter. And the Harry Potter one.
So don't tell me it's too late. Hard to make to blame, baby. Please don't let me break it. I knew I should.
Money bags, money bags, money bags, money bags, money bags. And I love you, man. Dog Cooper, I love you, bro.
Until it's gone. Sometimes you gotta lose somebody
Just to find out you really love someone. No. Shut up and dance.
Sometimes you gotta lose somebody just to find out you really love someone. Yeah, sometimes
You gotta lose somebody. One more time, baby. One more time. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, boom, boom. All right, let me move my face. Money bags, guys. Money bags. Let me see them. Hit the like button. Let's see if we take the low, baby. Let's see if we take the low. more time. Guys, listen, if you don't know, I'm literally a DJ. I DJ weddings on the weekends, and it's mad fun. Just saying, in case you don't know. Listen, guys, listen. I'm gonna answer a couple more questions, and then I actually gotta go. Here, hold on. There was one that I needed to answer. Okay, Alan, yeah, by the way. By the way, guys, by the way, there's a lot of new people in here. It feels like there's a lot of new people in here. Okay. Number one, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Gio. I've been trading for 3 years. I've been staring at this indicator, Market Cipher B, for so long. I'm the #1 Market Cipher B reader on the planet. True story. I have to go in a little bit, but listen, if you're new here, from the bottom of my heart, welcome. Okay. It wasn't very long where I was on that side of the screen and I had no idea what I was doing. So if I can help provide you guys free value, then that's why I'm here. This is why I do it. Look in the chat. Look across your peers. I told you guys, if I've given you free value, to drop the money bags. The money bags will tell it all. The money bags tell the story, okay? Now, so if you're new here, welcome. Somebody asked, is the free Market Cipher B okay? Free Market Cipher B does not have money flow. A big part of the way I trade is the money flow. I have a couple of Market Cipher B videos, and specifically this month in December, I'm going to heavily focus on creating content around Market Cipher B, because a lot of people don't know how this indicator works, believe it or not. Is it okay? I mean, it's okay. I don't use it. I've never used it, but I will tell you this. I am working with somebody. I'm not even going to tell you. I'm going to show you. I am working with someone who has Market Cipher B literally 1-to-1. Okay? No other person that I've seen anyway. Why is this not updating here? Oh, there we go. Okay. No other... Okay, I get many messages. I get many messages a day. Not a day. A week, a month. Right? Asking... like, or telling me that they have an indicator that's like Market Cipher, but it's not this, ends up not being the same. And I've only used Market Cipher, so I can only endorse Market Cipher. This indicator here is the only indicator that has gotten it literally 1-to-1. I've tested it, I've viewed it, I've checked it. It is literally 1-to-1. Okay? Every single cross, every single VWAP curve, it is all 1-to-1. Okay? Like, literally, it's an exact mirror. Every single little indent, every single little groove, everything else. Look, right here, it's popping out a little bit. Here, it's popping out a little bit. It is literally 1-to-1. Okay? Market Cipher is expensive. Yes. I'm working on this alternative for you guys. And if I can get you something that's like 1-to-1 for cheaper, I'm going to do that, because you guys know I like to provide the free value. As of now, does money flow matter? Absolutely. It's a huge part in the way I trade. I can't trade without the money flow. Just saying. All right. Dog Cooper. Why will you miss me, man, when I leave? JT in the house. Yes, sir. I'm bringing sexy back. Nikhil, I've already given the VIP code 3 times. So, you know, I'm not going to give it again. Go back and watch it again. Love from India. What's up, bro? Love from Toronto. I don't know why. From Canada. I don't know why I stumbled on that so badly. G, already 3 hours of stream. Love this guy. I appreciate you, man. It's actually only been 2 hours, but I gotta go, man. I got a haircut, like, now. Should I just tell my barber, like... Oh, yo, actually, wait. He actually just texted me. Okay, guys. Yo, look how I'm not lying. Look at this. Hey, brother, I'm running a little bit late. Can we move it to 1:30? So y'all got me for a little bit longer. Yo, that's crazy how time works out like that. That's actually crazy. Ben Dover says Fu Manchu is free and has money flow. Yeah, man, but Fu Manchu's money flow is not even remotely close to Market Cipher's money flow. It is like horrendous. It's so far off, it's not even funny. And like, look, I tell you guys this all the time. Look how different it is. I tell you guys this all the time, okay? Yes, you can get away with using this. You can. But I can only like, look at how thick money flow is here and how it's not even existent here. You can get away with using knockoffs, but if you could, once you can afford it, market Cipher B, man, or any alternative that I can give you. But it has to be identical. I can't speak for the other ones. I've never used it. Have the barber come to the house while streaming? Damn, that's a good idea. Perhaps I'll do a stream while perhaps I will do a stream while I'm getting my haircut. Thank me, guys. I hacked his phone, pretend to be the barber. Man, y'all are fun. Listen, guys, Bitcoin isn't doing anything right now. We're just kind of ranging, but again, money flow is still thick. I want to take the low. If we take the low and we tap this zone, oh baby, let's talk about longs. But listen, don't come at me. Tell the market makers to do it. As soon as I get off stream, they're gonna do it. So like, just tell them to do it now. You know what I'm saying? Audi Trade says, come on, boys. VIP is not expensive. I appreciate you, man. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. Crypto Mo, or Crypt Mo, sick name. The Vivid Wave, I don't know how long he's gonna keep it free for you, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. Is there an accurate money flow you can use side by side with the Market Cipher B free version? The only one that I know of is the one that I just showed you. And it's not gonna be free for very long. By the way, guys, if you decide that you want to purchase Market Cipher V, there's nothing wrong with it. I use it, and obviously it's the only indicator that I use. I do have an affiliate link. The link's in the description down below, and I give you guys 20% off with discount code TraderGeo. I came for the low, 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 low. Wait, what's playing music right now? All right. All right, guys. Bitcoin is just doing literally nothing. Hot kisses and hugs is the best indicator. Okay. Oh, I'm the best indicator. Thanks, man. Yeah, every time I make a bullish thumbnail, short. And every time I do a bearish thumbnail, long. Oh, man. Booman plus hiking, not bad, but not the same. Man, listen, a lot of people say that, bro, but I don't know. I've never done it. I've never tried it. So, you know, can't really speak on it. Staffy, hi, welcome. It uses weird characters in the title. Yeah, I know. I hate lemon. We'll get some news for you, man, soon. You know, we're gonna have the order blocks indicator. We're working on a market structure indicator as well that will illustrate my rules. So, Gio, am I taking profits on my short? I already took profits, bro. I took profits down here. I'm holding the rest though. We'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. I guarantee you what's gonna happen is this move is gonna happen while I'm getting my haircut, and then I can't even update you guys. Wouldn't even be able to update you guys. Okay, but let's see what happens. Like, okay, if we were to get a retracement, right? Since the market makers are doing literally absolutely nothing. If we were to get a retracement, where could we retrace to? Well, the obvious answer is the Golden Pocket 786 zone. But let's come a little bit deeper. Let's dive down a little bit further, and let's see where I would actually prefer. Everything I do is over loving you. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm thinking might happen. I'll tell you this. If we take the low, it's more bullish than if we don't. Okay? If we don't take the low, this is what I'm thinking may happen. We might do something like this. Let's just say we come up from here. We might get something like this. Oh, why is this so thick? That's what she said. We might get something like this. Right? And then here we'll flip bearish again and then send it down lower. If we do not take the low, I thought I pressed 2. If we do not take the low, it is more bearish than it is bullish. Why am I saying that we might get this? We have an order block here, right? We have an order block a little bit before this blue order block, but I prefer and I consider the blue order block the main. So based on market cipher B, what do I want to see for the high one to play out? Something like that. And this is also good confluence with the golden pocket. So it's very simple, guys. Not really much going on here. If you're not short right now, you can either short from the range, right? In anticipation that we're going to continue the move to the downside from here. Based on the 15-minute time frame on market cipher B, we may not, because we have the green dot and money flow starting to curve up. So we could, on the 15, get something like this. And this isn't necessarily going to happen right away, guys. We could range here for a little bit before we continue to do that, right? We could just do this a little bit more and then come up. But if you don't want to take a short from the high of the range, this little like mini range that we got going on here, then market cipher B is kind of primed to give us something like this, right? Where we'll have the anchor trigger, and that will give us good confluence here with our order block. If we get on the 3, the bearish divergences, right? That would be the 3. This is how the 15 would look. So this is good confluence, right? Good recovery of the vector candles to then send it down. I actually prefer this. I prefer we come up first, then we can gig a short here and send it down. Send it down to this range. I prefer that, but yeah. Gio has the market cipher exact copy. Will it be free? It will not be free. It won't be free. It's not me. I'm not the one that made the indicator, so I'm just gonna be the one that's like pushing it, but it's not me. I didn't make it. Today you love me the most? I love you the most today too, bro. Can I make a post about AMC and GME SantaCon? It's going to be a massive gathering. I don't know what the SantaCon is, but I will tell you this. I hold 1 or 2 stocks, and one of them heavily is AMC. I wish right now it was GME, but I do hold a lot of AMC. I bought AMC when I didn't know how to trade back in 2021 and at the beginning of 2021. And I don't even want to tell you. I don't even know where my average entry is because they did stock splits and whatever. But I am very heavily in AMC around this price. Color your hair. I actually did have my hair colored. I actually did. Look. So I actually did have blonde hair here. See that? Wasn't very long ago, but I'm done with that, man. I'm done with that. I'm done with all that. With all that jazz. All right, guys, listen. 146 likes. Can we get 4 more likes? 4 more likes, man. I'll be so happy. 4 more likes, please. Give me 4 more, baby. Shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny, she said. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. She said, ooh, ooh. Shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the night. Kryptonite. Let me see if I can find another song that like we all know that's copyright free. In the meantime, guys, please 4 more likes, man. 4 more likes. I'll be so happy. We were victims of the night. We were born to be together. Oh, maybe this one. Are we gonna add this to our... Oh, I thought it was gonna be Take Me Away. Take me away. Ooh, ooh, oh, what about this one? Without You? Oh. Okay. I don't know this one, but I kind of like it. We'll check around with it. Boom, baby! 150 likes! Guys, thank you so much, man. Wow. Thank you so much. Staffy says Fibonacci at 37.5. 37.5. Which? Where? Here? Yeah. Wait, where? I don't see a fib. Oh, wait. Going up? Are you saying we're in a fib level right now? I mean, if you take it from like another low, I don't know which low you're taking it, right? If we come on lower term time frames, like where are you taking it from this low here? Like taking it from any one of these lows, in my opinion, is kind of insignificant. I would take it from this low. If I was gonna take it from anywhere on this leg up, I would take it from here, which is good confluence with us coming down to the level that I have, right? The zone that I have. So, you know what I'm saying, lads? All right, guys, listen. It's been real, man. It's been 2 hours. I gotta go cut my hair. And prepare for court. And prepare for court. You stay. Man, I'm in the playlist of my copyright free stuff, and I'm looking for songs that we might know, but none of these songs. None of these songs are bueno. None of these songs are bueno right now. All right, guys, listen, hear me out. I appreciate y'all. Do I also trade altcoins? I do, man. So from time to time, I will, not from time to time, frequently, I will post altcoins here as well, right? I'll give altcoin updates. So, you know, make sure you join the VIP. The VIP code has been mentioned 3 times in this stream, so if you missed it, go find it. Guys, I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord, but it is time for me to say goodbye. I gotta go. I appreciate all y'all for kicking it with me. Thank you guys so much for 158 likes, man. This is the most likes I've ever had. I'm monetized again, so very thankful for that. Today's a good day. I'll see you guys later in the Discord for sure, but I might not stream tomorrow because I got court. I don't know. We'll see. Depends on the timing. But guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I appreciate you guys. A lot of Market Cipher videos are coming up, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, make sure you join the VIP Discord, and all of the things. And as I say goodbye, I'm going to show this on screen for one more time if you guys decide that you want to purchase it. Thank you in advance for anybody that purchases or helps support me. It's a free way to support me. And I really appreciate y'all. Stick around for the outro because the outro song is fire. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Set my heart on fire.